Hey everyone. Okay, so as we were doing the chapter number third, ruling the countryside of the class 8 history, so we were on the topic Britain turns to India. And if you want to watch the rest of the topics, the last few topics, explanation, so please go on to my channel Historia. From there you will get all the videos of all the topics. All right. Now, before beginning this topic, I want to tell you that please, if you have any query, any doubt, any suggestions, any views related to the topics, related to if you have any query, then please comment down so that I would get to know and I'm gonna answer them or take your reviews from there. Okay, and I'm gonna do this as soon as possible. I'm gonna answer your all queries. I'm gonna clear your all doubts. Okay, so let's begin this topic. Britain turns to India. So at this time, as I've already told you, that Britain expanded its cotton textiles and industrialized itself. So at that time, it needed indigo. But the main suppliers, in addition to India, the main suppliers of the indigo was West Indies and America, and both of them did not supply indigo to the Britain due to some other reasons of itself. So their supplies got collapsed or deteriorated, or you can say abolished. All right. Now Britain thought that why should not it take indigo from India? At that time, company was ruling over the India. So that is why company got the orders from Britain that do that they have to cultivate or grow indigo into Bengal in India. In Bengal in India. Okay. So company did what Britain rulers or Britain administration asked it to do, and after doing this, Bengal indigo was the dominating main or the overruling supplier of indigo in the world market. Means throughout the world, in the whole world, only the Bengal indigo was on demand, and only it was the main suppliers, or the only supplier of indigo it was. So in 1788, the next thing here is in 1788, only 30% of indigo in Britain was used to come from India. The only 30% of indigo in Britain was used to come from India, but this ratio get expanded rapidly. Ratio get expanded rapidly in 1810. 95% of indigo was in Britain was from India. Okay, so in a very few years it happened. Now, as this indigo plantation and cultivation and this thing was getting so popular at that time, so many Scotsmen and Englishmen became planters and get involved in the plantation businesses and transportation and all stuff. Now here's an image, figure number 7. So here is a caption in this of this image. It is mentioned. You will get to know about the detailed information of this image in our next class, chapter number first of your ninth class history, the French Revolution. In that chapter, you will get to know about this more deeply. So this was the slave revolt in Saint Domingo in August 1791. This image is of August 1791, and in the 1791, actually, French planters were used to bring slaves from South Africa. So, as we know that in Europe, black people were used to be discriminated, and they used to be get slavery or become slave. They have to be a slave. So, those black people was from South Africans. South Africans were brought by France to do their slavery works. Slavery means knocker, or you can say the one housemate. Nowadays we used to keep as an housemate who used to do our all stuff, any work. So this used to happen. So now, as slaves were getting in the same these slaves are doing work in the Saint Domingo in the Caribbean islands. These African slaves used to work on the plantations, but they rebelled against the French people in 1791. That led to the abolition of slavery in 1792 in France. Okay, so this was it in this chapter. In Not in this chapter, sorry. This was it in this topic. For the next topic, please watch the next video. Okay, bye.